Grounding an antenna mast provides a low impedance path to earth for lightning currents, which minimizes potential damage to the antenna, mast, and connected equipment. Conductor size depends on lightning risk, mast height, and grounding system type. Higher lightning activity areas require larger conductors. Taller masts need larger conductors. Different grounding systems like single rod, multiple rod, or buried wire have different current carrying capacities. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, requires a minimum grounding conductor size of number 8 American wire gauge copper or number 6 American wire gauge aluminum for lightning protection systems. IEEE Standard 81.2019 recommends a grounding conductor size of number 2 American wire gauge copper or number 1 American wire gauge aluminum for antenna masts over 50 feet in height. Some antenna manufacturers specify larger conductor sizes than minimum requirements. Based on these guidelines, these conductor sizes are recommended. For low to moderate lightning risk, and a mast height of less than 50 feet, use number 8 American wire gauge copper or number 6 American wire gauge aluminum. For moderate to high lightning risk, and a mast height between 50 and 100 feet, use number 4 American wire gauge copper or number 2 American wire gauge aluminum. For high lightning risk, and a mast height greater than 100 feet, use number 2 American wire gauge copper or number 1 American wire gauge aluminum. The grounding conductor should be securely bonded to the mast and any other metal components connected to it. The grounding rod should be driven into the earth to a depth of at least 8 feet. The underground wire connecting the grounding rod to the antenna system should be buried at a depth of at least 18 inches. Regularly inspect the grounding system for damage or corrosion. These recommendations are general guidelines and may need adjustment based on specific site conditions and local regulations. Always consult a qualified electrician or lightning protection professional for proper grounding.